Minor losses at the opening bell this morning. Dow's probably down about 50 points. But I do want to show you AutoNation. I'm going to call that stock surging. I think that's accurate, up 8%. This is on a very strong earnings report. They've been cashing in on higher car prices. That, as the chip shortage means car production delays and more people are buying used cars. That's AutoNation. Very solid performance. They're up 8%, 126. Now take a look at Tesla. They had a spectacular earnings report yesterday. The stock is down a little bit this morning. But look, you're at $855 a share. David Nicholas joins us now, specifically looking at Tesla. Is Tesla now the preeminent electric vehicle company in the world?
Stuart, I think it is. And I mean, despite the haters, despite the short sellers, despite the supply chain woes that you just discussed brought on by the current administration, Tesla had record deliveries, record production, and record net income. I mean, Stuart, I was reading through the transcript. They were flying parts all over the world to make sure that they could get these deliveries done in time. And I've always said, don't bet against Elon Musk. We want to own companies that have strong management, strong leadership. You get that with Elon, you get that with Tesla. So we own the stock. And again, their production capacity is just getting started because they're building plants in Texas and Berlin. They're having to send cars from China to get them to America. When those production facilities open up, Stuart, I think the stock is going to continue to head higher just because they can't keep up with the demand that's currently out there for Tesla.
As you look across the whole automotive industry, is Tesla the best stock to own, the only car stock to own?
Okay, so you're going to pay a little bit of a premium for Tesla, but it's a growth company. So I like Tesla as a high-flying growth name. I also like Ford for more of a value name. So Ford is a great automaker we like. We also own Lucid Motors, is one of Tesla's competitors, the only electric vehicle that has a 500-mile-plus range. But Stuart, I also like trucking. So a name like Old Dominion. You just talked about an auto parts store, a name like AutoZone, AZO. I think automotive is going to have a very strong fourth quarter. So we're putting our money in automobiles, trucking, and also auto supply companies. Because I'll tell you, Stuart, if you've driven past a car lot recently, there's no cars on the lots.
Right.
So that's where I think the money's going.
Take me through the big picture for a second. Are the bulls still very much in control of this market?
Stuart, the bulls are in control. I could make a case as to why the market should go down, right? No clear understanding on taxes. What about inflation? What are the Feds going to do? But you know what? Put all that aside. There's trillions of dollars of money going around. That money has to go somewhere. There's so much money going around, Stuart, people are bathing in it, okay? And so because of that liquidity, there's a very strong case, and we're making it our firm, that we could see a 5 to 6% year-end rally. Now, we got to be perfect, got to have strong earnings. Everything's got to come in pretty clear. But I think the setup is very nice. The bulls are in charge. So hang on, Stuart.
Just repeat that, please. A 5 to 6% rally from here before the end of the year.
I'll give you my if earnings continue to come in good, and even if we get a little surprises, and if corporate taxes are dead on arrival, 5 to 6% from here, Stuart.
Got it. David, thanks very much for joining us again. Always appreciate it, and we'll have you back real soon.
Thank you, sir.
See if we get that 5 or 6% jump. I'd love to see it.